Is WhatsApp not opening on your iPhone and stuck on the logo? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to fix the issue. Let's dive in and get started. Solution 1. Force close the WhatsApp history. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or press and hold on the home button if you're using an older model iPhone. Then find the WhatsApp and swipe up to clear the history. Solution 2. Clear app cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down, tap on background app refresh. Again, tap on background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to log in again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Press and hold the app from the home screen. Then tap Remove app. After that, tap Delete app. Now go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Type WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. Now install the. Check your issues whether it's solved. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset all settings again. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope it's all sorted now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.